Hello children, hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today ma'am is here to teach you how to make a peacock with hand impression. Now before that, I will tell you a story. The story of the peacock and the crane. So come on children, let us enjoy the story and let us learn how to make a beautiful peacock with the hand impression.
The story of the peacock and the crane. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful peacock in the woods. The peacock was very proud of its beauty. It would always flaunt its beautiful feathers and make fun of other birds. Every day it walked to the banks of the lake and looked at its own reflections and said, "Oh, what a beautiful bird I am! Look at my colorful tail!" But this behavior of the peacock wasn't liked by the other birds. One day the peacock met a crane on the bank of the lake. He said to the crane with a sneer, "What a colorless bird you are! Your feathers look grey and dusty. Look at my gorgeous feathers wrapped in the glory of rainbow. I look so majestic." "Yes, you are beautiful, but I don't envy you at all," said the crane. "What? Don't lie," said the peacock surprisingly. "I can fly up in the sky with my wings. I travel around the world and go wherever I want. All you can do is strut on the ground. Fine feathers alone don't make fine birds," said the crane and soared up into the blue sky. The peacock was ashamed of his behavior and kept quiet. The peacock learned a lesson, and from then on he never boasted about his beautiful feathers. So children, what is the moral of the story? The moral is, it's better to be useful than to be beautiful, and we should never be proud of ourselves. And you should be humble always. Do you know children, what is this peacock made up of? This peacock is made up of hand impression and paper. Children, if you want to narrate the same story to your friends, then you need to learn how to make a peacock with hand impression and with colorful papers. To make a peacock, we need foam sheets of 2 different colors, white A4 sheet, some colorful feathers, CD, 2 pegs, color, brush, pencil, scissors and Fevicol. First, we will take a blue foam sheet and we will form the body of the peacock. Let us trace the body of the peacock with the pencil. Now cut along the borders and we will get the body of the peacock. Next, on an A4 sheet, we are going to take the hand impression. For that we need the color green. This will form the feather of the peacock. We shall put the color green on our palm and then we will take the hand impression on the A4 sheet. After taking the hand impression, we are going to let it dry and then cut it along the borders. After cutting out the hand impression, it looks like this. Similarly, cut out 4 hand impressions in the same way. We will arrange the handprints in such a way that it forms the feathers of the peacock, and then we are going to stick it with the glue on the CD. To form the colorful feathers, we need a strip of paper which we will fold it into half, and we will trace a curve on it, and then we will cut it along the borders.
Now we are going to cut small frills on the curve.
So you can see how it looks like. It looks like frills, isn't it? In this way we will cut all along the border. So now it looks like a feather after we finish cutting it. So you can make different colored feathers like this. And now arrange the feathers in such a way that it will look like the feathers of the peacock. Use a glue to stick all the feathers on the CD. Look, it has been sticked on the CD. Now we are going to stick the body of the peacock on the CD. And now let us make the eyes and the beak of the peacock. I have put the eyes and the beak as well as the crown of the peacock. Now to make the peacock stand, we will use the pegs. We will place the pegs at the bottom so that the peacock can stand. Ta-da! The peacock is ready. Now children, you can decorate the peacock as you feel like, with buttons, with glitters, foam sheets or colored papers. Hope you enjoyed, children. Thank you.